Alright guys, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to implement the rewarded ad button script. So let's do that. First off, we are going to copy this script right here. Okay, let's go down. Alright, so Control C, go back to Unity. And we are going to open our ads folder, right click, create a new script that we are going to call rewarded ad button, like so. Okay, let's open it. Perfect. Let's remove this and paste that what we've copied. And we are pretty much done here. Oh, it's rewarded ads and here it's rewarded ad. So yeah, let's change that just to avoid having some errors. So rewarded ad button, perfect. So let's see what we can do in this script. First off, to load the ad, same thing that we've used for the interstitial, we see that we need to initialize the ad or load the ad after the initialization. So we are going to open the ads initializer and add a reference to this rewarded ad button. So same thing, serialize field, private, rewarded ad button, rewarded ad button. Okay, cool. And after the initialization is complete, we can call rewarded ad button dot load ad. That way we make sure that we load the ad after the package has been initialized. Okay? Then what can we do? So here we can see that after the ad has been shown and it's complete, another ad is being loaded. So we need to apply the same logic here when the ad fails to load and when it fails to show. Load ad, like so. Perfect. If you go up a bit, in the on Unity ads show complete, you can see that here we can grant a reward to the player. So instead of granting the reward from here, we are going to add an event, and then whenever we want to reward the player, we are going to subscribe to that event. Okay? So let's add the system library. So using system, like so. We are going to create a new header for our events, like so. Public static action on rewarded ad rewarded, let's say. Rewarded. Okay, cool. Let's copy this event and paste it right under the grant a reward comment, like so. And we can invoke it if anyone has subscribed to it. Okay, cool. Let's now attach our rewarded ad button to a specific button that we are going to create. So this button, in my opinion, should be in the shop, okay? Like just next to the purchase button. We should have a button to allow the player to watch an ad maybe and get more coins, all right? Let's try and do that. So first we are gonna start by showing the shop, like so, cool. And then we can move the purchase button a bit on the left, maybe right here. Yeah, cool. Maybe it should be anchored to the bottom left now. Nah, let's keep it anchored to the bottom. Let's duplicate it and move it on the right, like so. So we can see that it's a bit too big. So for that, I'm going to select both the purchase and watch video button and change their width, like so. All right, maybe we should change the height a bit too. So something like that should be all right. Yeah, perfect. After that, we need to rescale the text fields. So press F, T again, select 2D. All right, let's make them a bit bigger. So maybe like that. Okay, cool. Same thing for the price texts. We should make them a bit bigger. Okay, cool. Now it's okay. Now let's select the watch video button and rename it. So let's rename it watch video. Maybe we should make it a different color. So let's make it yellow-ish, orange. Yeah, something like that. We should also change the purchase label to watch video, like so. Should I change the font? No. It's not going to be relevant, but yeah, it's a bad font choice actually. I'm sorry for that. Here we also want to change the text to something like plus 200, let's say. So whenever the player watches a video, he will earn 200 coins. Okay, cool. So let's try and implement this now. We are going to select the watch video button, remove the purchase skin callback right here, and we are going to add a new component, which is the rewarded ad button. Okay, so let's drag the button component and drop it here. Perfect. And we can also select our Unity Ads Manager, drag the watch video button and drop it here. So that's initialized too, just to allow it to load the ad. Okay, let's first check if this works. So we should see an ad video, but we shouldn't earn coins because we haven't subscribed to the event yet. So let's hit tack the button. Perfect. The ad is showing. All right, cool. So now let's try and subscribe to the event to earn some coins. So what we can do is open the shop manager maybe, or the data manager, one of them. I prefer opening the shop manager and you'll understand why. So in the start method, let's subscribe to that event. So we are going to call the rewarded ad button dot on rewarded ad rewarded plus equals reward player, like so. And of course, don't forget to unsubscribe from it in the on destroy method, like so. Perfect. Then we can create this reward player method. So just under the update method, I'm going to create a new private void method, reward player. Okay. What we want to do here is call the data manager instance and add some coins. So we are going to add, let's say 200 coins, I think. If I remember well, it was 200 coins, right? Yep, 200 coins, okay? You could also change this amount by script if you wish. Just need to add a reference to this and add a new integer right here. But yeah, you know how to do that now because we've done it for the skin price. All right, let's set the skin price, by the way, to let's say 250. Okay, so that the player has to watch 2 ads to get a skin. All right, after doing that, we need to update the purchase button because if we had 50 coins previously and the skin is 200 coins, the purchase button would have been disabled. So now that we have more coins, we need to check if we have enough to purchase a skin or not. All right, let's jump back to Unity now. Let's hit play, open the shop, and we can see that we have 82 coins. So let's watch a video like so. Let's close it. And we now have 282 coins and the purchase button is now enabled. Awesome. So yeah, we've just learned how to add a watch video button. So adding rewarded ads. So in the next lesson, we are going to see how to implement banner ads. Okay, let's jump there.